Hi folks, this is All the Fruit and today we are harvesting the rainbow banana squash. Here it is. A little bit on the small side because one of the most important features of this variety is the huge size. It's a squash which used to be kind of popular like 100 years ago, especially in the US, and they're mostly in the western states as well as with the Amish in the northeast. In Europe it's not so popular nowadays. Also in America it is on the disappearing side because of the huge size. It says that it can be up to 35 pounds. Basically, for big families 100 years ago that was a good thing, but nowadays a lot of similar squashes like butternut or acorn, also like personal size squashes and pumpkins, have replaced it more or less. Here Doro has some multicolored banana squash, which is also known as rainbow squash. Yeah, like yellowish, pinkish and blue are two of the standard colors of this variety, and in this one they are mixed. Now let's harvest it. It's over for the plant anyways now at the end of September, no other fruits. So this one, as I said, well, here is Doro, by the way. Say hi, Doro. Hold up the big fish or the big banana. Yeah, here it is. Look at this beautiful color combination, like pale pinkish orange and the beautiful pale blue. Yeah, so Doro promised us to give us a piece of it, so we are gonna cook it at home. Oh, we don't need so much. You have a lot of people to feed here. Give us like a quarter or so.
Yep. Then we make it on the table.
We make it on the table. Okay, we make it on the table. That's Denglish, German English. might sound to you American and British English speakers about as strange as Amish German sounds to Germans nowadays. So let's make it on the table. So much. Okay, Doro is a very generous woman, as you can see. She insists on giving us half of this beautiful plant. So this year we had a lot to do with bananas. Here you can see 3 of our bananas. We planted banana passion flower. We had a couple other banana themed fruits and plants, and now we have the banana squash. I'm very happy with that, and later we will try to prepare this one. And a couple days later, my beautiful but camera shy assistant, here I have Crocs by the way, made this pumpkin with, well, this banana squash with banana squash. It's half raw. She's a healthy one. She wouldn't do anything to the poor vitamins. However, she made a dip for it. What is inside?
Oil and herbs.
What herbs and spices? Yeah, it's actually not too bad with the dip. I guess all the fruit approved.